Hello beautiful people, hope you're all doing very well. On Instagram, I asked you guys what kind of look you'd like to see for Valentine's Day, and you all responded for a smoky, sultry, red, and glamorous eye. And so in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to create this Valentine's Day wearable look for a night out. If you're interested in learning how to do this, stay tuned for the video. I am first taking my Hourglass concealer in the shade Oat, and I'm applying that underneath my dark circles. Then using a flat blending brush, I'm going to buff it out until it is smooth. I am then taking my banana powder from Huda Beauty and using the same fluffy brush, I'm going to set my under eyes. For foundation, I'm taking my Dior Backstage and I'm going to dot a little bit on my face and blend it using a foundation brush. I am then taking the Dior Backstage Universal Highlighter and I'm going to apply that on the high points of my cheeks. Using my ring finger, I'm going to blend it out and dot a little on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my Cupid's bow. For brightening some areas on my face, I'm using the NARS Radiant Concealer and then blending it out using the same foundation brush that I used earlier. I'm then setting those areas using the same powder. For blush, I'm using the shade Songbird from Becca, and I'm applying that using a fluffy big brush. I'm then taking my Hoola Benefit bronzer and I'm applying that using the same brush into the hollows of my cheeks. I'm also using the same bronzer for contouring my nose using an angled brush. To achieve an all-over glow, I'm taking my Hourglass Ambient Bronzer and I'm applying that just on everywhere, all over my face. I'm setting my face makeup using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. For highlight, I'm taking the Stellar Beauty Trio Highlight and I'm taking the shade Gold and applying that right on top of the Dior Show highlighter. Neutral nude pinky undertones, mauve undertones. I'm taking my Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut pencil and I'm going to be lining my lips. Slowly, slowly, wandering in the dark. And the best way to overline your lips is to start from the Cupid's bow. So I'm going to be sort of tucking in my upper lip and drawing a Cupid, a little V on the top of my lips. And that way I'm going to be getting a more natural overline look. Every day. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of gloss. This is the Dior Hyaluronic Acid Lip Maximizer. I'm starting my eye makeup by priming my eyelids using the primer that comes within the Dior Amber Neutrals palette. And I'm just using my finger. And I'm going to set that using a neutral bone color shade. For the crease, I'm mixing two colors together and applying that into the crease of my eyes. Going back to the Dior palette, I'm mixing two of the red shades and I'm applying that all over my eyelid. I'm using a fluffy brush to blend it out. Then I'm going to some other red shades in the Huda Beauty palette and I'm applying that into the outer corners of my eyes. Taking a red pencil from Sephora Collection, I'm applying that into the outer corners and the inner corners of my eyes. I'm blending that out using a pencil brush. I'm adding some shimmer into the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm heading to the Makeup by Mario Master Metallics palette and I'm reaching out for the pink tones in this palette. They are so, so, so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Alright, so I'm applying that into the center of my eye. Next, I'm taking the Tarte Cosmetics Cat Eyeliner and I'm drawing a winged out liner. Then I'm using the Huda Beauty matte red lipstick, and I'm using a smaller brush to apply that into the inner corner and outer corners of my eyes. And I'm blending that with a fluffier brush. This will give me the vibrancy of that red shade that I'm looking for. For lashes, I'm using the style Fireproof from Novem Beauty. They are so stunning. And to add a little bit more oomph to my makeup, I'm taking the Patrick Ta She's That Girl blush, and I'm just setting over my blush. I'm then using my ring finger to apply the cream product right on top of the powder. This is the only blush that works like that, and it looks absolutely amazing. Alright everyone, this is the finished look for the Valentine's Day glam. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. And if you do recreate this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram. I will leave the hashtag down below for you to use. And you can give me a little follow. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up, a subscribe, and comment down below if you love this video. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Mwah! Happy Valentine's Day!